Coming into office with government experience serving the county for 22 years, I noticed that the county clerk's office needed to be innovated and improved and to have documents scanned and digitized and have them accessible.
Here at the courthouse for Bexar County, everything is distributed. You have civil in one area, you have probate in one, you have criminal in another section. COMPU-DATA has been working with Bexar County for over 15 years now. We've worked with a couple of other departments along with the IT department, the district clerk's office, everything from providing software and hardware solutions.
So my civil department, what they're working on, and my criminal department, they work on judgments, motions, or any other documents that are needed by the court system. And in my civil department, you work with a lot of judgments, a lot of evictions and other documents for JPs. And then probate, of course, you deal with annual reports, any kind of guardianships, and other needs for the public.
We were using a different system, and it was just the volume of work that we have, trying to get all the folders in. The misdemeanor cases come in and they close pretty quickly, so just trying to get the volume completed with a good image quality. And that was not a capability prior, so that's excellent.
As the county clerk and record keeper of the county, every county clerk should be indexing and capturing documents in a very professional manner to make sure that we don't miss any kind of information or any kind of motion or any kind of signature that has to be on that document. As we use Kodak Alaris, we're trying to move forward into more modern automation.
They needed a software that can be utilized in various places. So the Info Input Solution web-based software seemed to be the easiest one that they can use and control. It definitely met all of their needs. What made us choose Kodak Alaris to be part of the solution for the Bexar County Clerk was mainly because we use Kodak Alaris products ourselves.
We used to scan everything when the file was closed. Now we scan in as we receive everything.
It's been very successful because the community did not have access to documents right away. Now with us scanning, we have this information available within minutes.
With Kodak Alaris, it's great. We've been partners for over 12 years now. Anytime we've ever needed any type of special support, they've always been there with us.